I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling circle search and granting permissions. This lets the feature capture text and actions. Open Settings, go to Smart Assistants, then circle search and flip the toggle. Once enabled, make sure microphone and accessibility access are allowed so the system can recognize gestures and text. Adjust overlay style and sensitivity now, because those settings determine accuracy and comfort. Doing this first avoids interruptions later and gives you a predictable rectangle for quick captures. You'll use a single gesture. Draw a circle around the area you want to search. Draw firmly but fluidly. Quick flicks can miss text, then pause. The engine will analyze the capture. Once results appear, tap the floating menu to copy text, translate, web search, or perform image search. If the selection missed words, resize the circle or redraw it immediately to refine OCR accuracy. This step-by-step capture and verify approach keeps searches precise and saves time when information is dense. You finish by exporting useful results. Copy to clipboard, share to apps, or open the web search directly. Make sure to confirm the text before pasting. OCR can misread fonts or glare. If circle search stops working, first toggle permissions off and on, then clear the Smart Assistants cache. If problems persist, reboot the phone and check for system updates to the Color OS build. These steps resolve most issues and get you back to fast, reliable searches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.